Okay, Alan Cruz, Mr. Handsome, coming in back strong as you can see me. My name is Alan Cruz, Mr. Handsome, and of course, going to Facebook, Alan Cruz, about to Blue Junior. No, celebrity track, and Sibuko Yamaudi, I go to celebrity wow, and of course, gonna maso belingo subscribing. Also, gonna maso no kubangate, audio mukwabo, abasoka, okumanya, amaudi, gaba celebrity, one in Uganda. Tuli msela cha quarantine, abasobola okolere waka bakolere waka, na abasobola otambula, tusobola okubanga tambula, naye ng'olunaku lwaleero. Kintu kyanjawulo nnyo. Lunaku lwa njawulo nnyo. Lunaku lwa kutaano. Amawulire agamu ge nafunyeewo mu abali China musobola okutegeeza. Bantegeezezza nti ab'e China bo bagenda kutandika okuddamu okukola. Abamu parts ezimu eza China batandise okuddamu okukola. Kituwa amaanyi mangi nnyo. Naawe atula ku celebrity track atatuvuddeemu naawe tukuwa amaanyi mangi nnyo. Nammwe abaagala Alan Cruz tubawa amaanyi mangi nnyo. Devotion camera kwali bulungi nnyo. Instagram Alan Cruz official oba mufuna bulungi nnyo. Ne tuba mu maaso ng'ate tuseetula olugambo luno bulungi nnyo. Ne tuba ng'ate tulutuusa gye tulaga. Olunaku olwaleero njagala kye tugenda okwogerako kigenda kubeera ku ba celebrity abakyala abawana e Uganda. Tutunuulidde embeera eno eya quarantine nga celebrity track. Tukuleetedde abakyala ba celebrity abayimbi okusingira ddala. Mu kaseera kano abo abayimbi ababaddeko nga tugenda mu quarantine tetulese bano bavaako. Abayimbi ababaddeko mu kiseera kino ekya quarantine babadde bakola ki? Ntandise n'omukyala amanyiddwa nga Rema Namakula. Rema Namakula ye yasazeewo kutuyimbiramu akayimba naku challenge ndabye buli omu agenza agigezaako buli omu agenza akikola ngali ne Amal bo batuyimbiddemu akayimba and quarantine nga bw'olaba mu kavidiyo yako katululize Rema Namakula ye ate kiyakoze mu quarantine ono.
He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the
whole world
in
his hands. She got the whole world
in
his hands.
the whole world in his hands.
Bambi tukulaga abakyala abayimbi quarantine bayisize etya. Tugenze kumwana muwala Lydia Jasmine. Lydia Jasmine ye yakutte simu ya muganda oba yadde ya muganda we n'agenda ku Snapchat neyekola n'atandika okusnapchattinga n'atubulira nga sister we. People bored, I'm telling you. Abakyala bonna abayimbi bali bored buli omu mu nju ye akulaga kyakola. Lydia Jasmine naye bw'ati quarantine bwe mututte.
I'm snapping on someone's camera, but
what? But what?
Can you hear her in the background? I have no peace.
You are the one that gives me a headache every day of my life.
See, have you heard? I have no peace. But anyways, I'll snap. I won't stop.
So you're taking over my snap today?
I'm taking over. Hey guys, I'm taking over Melissa.
I know you guys are tired of her. Sorry. I told her
You
not
can't
to.
be tired of me. Are you guys? Are you tired of me?
Yes, we are.
It's just one minute so far. You're gonna be tired of me the whole night. I will be here today.
Wait! Oh God.
Okay. Lydia Jasmine mutadde mabbali. Tugenze ku mukyala Cinderella Baby. Cinderella Baby yalabiddwako mu supermarket ng'alina haniwe omupya Prince ngono omuzanyi wa film oba muzanyi wa sinema bali mu supermarket bashopinga ku byokulya bashopinga ku byokunywa nga Cindy alabikira ddala musanyufu nnyo. Yakutte muwala we n'amutwala ewa jjajjaawe era ndo muwala wa Cindy saazi nali wa jjajjaawe nnyo muwala wa Cindy yabadde azannyisa nkoko naye quarantine kyetatukoze. So Devotion sokondage ku muwala wa Cindy oyo ng'azannyisa enkoko agamba wow they look beautiful. Muwala wa Cindy ono muwala mukyotala yoli gwe yazala muzungu naye embeera yagenze bweti. Sokondage Cindy ng'ali ne Prince bali mu supermarket then ondage ne muwala we.
My name is Amai, and these are my chickens. When they're young, we raise them, and now they're big. Take a look. Look at them. They are so beautiful, nice, and fluffy. Now, just to tell, when you're gonna raise them up like this. But they have to have their own place, and you make sure they don't fight, they don't kill each other. Okay? That's why we give them light. They don't like sleeping without light. So, you can find them playing like now, and sometimes they fight. Look. They're all nice and they're all cuddly. But if you take a closer look, you can see me catch them if I can try. But these are my chicks, and we also have bigger ones. But the bigger ones fight too much. So we put them in a separate house from these ones because they'll...
Hey, what's up everybody? I know Cindy Biebe to the king herself. I'm doing okay. How are you guys feeling? How is the mood right now? Today, mbadendera kuja online okwebaza buli omu yanyamba ne concert naye omanyi because of what's going on at the moment. Nensala abantu manyi ki tukanso genchite tudde okukiriwo at the moment. How are you guys doing? Mukana kaseera ka corona. I know it's a sad moment, it's confusing. I have so many questions. So many questions beginning from oyo omuntu kika kyagenda mu lab n'atonda obulwadde bwe butyo obugenda okutta everybody. You know, what kind of person is that? Like, anyway, I have so much to ask. Naye, I know you guys don't have the answers, so I'm going to just try and give you guys some encouragement. Abadde how to take care of yourselves. I'm not going to repeat that you need to wash your hands and then stay away from a lot of people and try to be and isolate yourself. You've heard of the things too many times. So okay. So leero sigenda kola ki si kyengenda okwogerako. I just wanted to come here. I wanted to come here and encourage you. That's my security guy. I wanted to come here and just give you a different word. And I wanted to say, don't be led by fear. Be led by love. You know, there's so many of us who are getting isolated from family, our own children, and from our own parents, from our best friends, and you don't even want to make a call. The thing is, just like so many things, this coronavirus is going to end, or it's going to become containable at a certain point. You know, people are working on a cure or a way to contain it, and at a certain point they're going to find a way. Just like AIDS came, just like a few years ago flu used to kill people, malaria used to kill way more children and way more people than it does right now. So I feel like at a certain point this disease will be containable. Maybe not right now, but what I'm trying to say is protect the people around you, you know, and not just yourself, and try and protect people around you so that you still have them after this corona thing. So let's take care of each other. We can do this. Ndabi abantu ba taxi, abantu everywhere neko ATM machine when agenze jo wabaddewo kagundi akantu akalina sanitizer, and then mu supermarkets buli wamu. So maybe it's not everything, but ndabye nti buli omu ali kwefaako. So it's most likely, let's have hope that we'll have a lot of people still in this country. So bwewegobako buli omu at the moment, coronavirus weneggwerawo nga tolina mikwano kiki ogenda okukola? You know, we all need each other. Oyinza okwekweka essaawa zino naye emmere egenda kuggwawo, and then what will you do? Who will you call? Okitegere sente zo zigenda kuggwako, and then what will you do? All I'm trying to say is that yes, take all the precautions. It's more important for us to protect one another, to keep calling each other. Are you taking care of yourself? And are you okay? Or this has happened, or this has happened. So that you keep your friends than losing all of them and losing your family. So that's what I wanted to say. Let love lead you and not fear. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. I hope we can go live sometime this week so that I can talk to y'all. Nayenga mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala twakikuba ku boom party concert n'abantu bangi ab'okwebaza naye si leero. So I love you. Mukama abankuumire mmwe mwenna, and just know when there is no hope, there is God. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. I may not be a preacher, I may not be the holiest person, but I know, okay, through my life and things I've gone through, I know. So whenever you feel confused, just pray. One of these days I want to get in here and just pray with you guys. You know? What do you think? All right.
Okay. Awo nawo nga nkugjeewo tuyina mwana muwala Spice Diana. Spice Diana ne karantini temuyisizza bubi. Yeekoleddeyo ka challenge kano. Ka challenge akagenda mu maaso nga katambula kano akokuteeka brush mu gundi mu kamera. Naye karantini bweti naye bwe muyisizza nga bwola mu kavidiyo awo. Kugamba karantini moment eno teri shows teri chi. It's just kiseera kya having fun. Okitegeera kwenyumirwa bwe weebowa gwamanye ebiddako. Nkuleetedde omukyala amanyiddwa nga Nina Rose. Nina Rose naye yalabiddwako mu mmotoka ye ng'alina abaana oba omu yabadde muwala wa Kabaka kuba nalabye agamba Kabaka we bali kuza mwana. Nga naye ali ku baana ababuuzaako eno n'eno. Okitegedde basically bali nalabidde Sebunya ne Sebunya nno naye Bambi. Karantini eno naye yagimaze bwati naye yengeri gyali omusawo abasawo bakkiriza otambula bwati bwe yali mu clinic. Okay. Nkutwadde ow'omukyala amanyiddwa nga Shiba. Shiba naye karantini temuyisizza bubi. Ali mu nju ye azanya n'abaana azanya ne baby kugamba it's just being yourself. Okitegeera kati just tusaba busabi Shiba oyo singa just ajja kuba tuzaliddeyo omwana next year kijja kuba kyamaanyi nnyo. Just tugezaako ku celebrity track ekibadde kitwesa olwaliro balaga abakyala ab'enjawulo ba celebrity oba bayimbiramu abavubuka kiki baliko mu karantini ono. Eri atali ku Instagram, eri atali ku Facebook, eri atamanyi binoni. So tugezezaako bikuŋŋaanya ntitubikulaga. Ani omulala gwe nkulekeddeyo omukyala Shira Gashumba. Shira Gashumba naye karantini temuyisizza bubi. Ali mukola challenge eno brush jemuteeka mu kamera eyo challenge eyo nziri just nagyesonyiyemu neŋŋamba kanjirekera abanagisobola. So ne Shira Gashumba naye ali ku swimming pool awuga ali mu swimming pool awuga alina emikwano gye bakoleyo challenge. So bebamu ku bakyala abatono obuddako nkuleetera abaami King Saha alina ekintu kye yapostinza about Kyebakola kyoba tosubwa abaami betuddako okuleeta mu karantini bayisizza ekyo. Alan Cruz gemanya Mr. Handsome Facebook Alan Cruz oba ofuna bulungi go like my page team Mama Brighton namwe mbagalanye tulina channel ya Mama Brighton osobola ogenda no subscribinga channel ya Mama Brighton teka Mama Brighton ejja kulaba channel ne videos empya nyingi ezi. Alan Cruz gemanya Mr. Handsome Instagram Alan Cruz official oba ofuna bulungi nnyo divorce oba summit of divorce ku Instagram oba ofuna bulungi nnyo ye celebrity track ensibuko ya mawulire gaba celebrity. Otherwise for now I'm out. Celebrity track.